yung song ni Bon Jovi na You Give Love a Bad Name kasi nagbigay siya ng malaking impact sa akin. Naramdaman ko yung na-experience ng father ko na kung paano siya iniwan ng asawa. Family ko, masaya naman ko. Father ko, masaya kami as one big family tulad ng mga kapatid ko. Kasi kumbaga kahit na separated siya, hindi na namin hinanap yung pagmamahal nung ina ko. Kumbaga nandun na yung sa father ko, nandun na siya. Kumbaga sa kape, 3 in 1, father, mother, tropa, barkada, yun siya sa para sa akin.
People, put your hands together! Hey! Take your smile, what do you sell? You promised me heaven, then put me through hell. Chains of love, gotta hold on me. With passion for prison, you can't break free. Whoa, your love is gone. There's nowhere to run. No one can save me. The damage is done. Shot to the heart. And you're to blame. Darling, you give love a bad thing. I play my part and you play your game. You give love a bad thing. You give love. Oh, shot to the heart. And you're to blame. You give love a bad thing. I play my part. And you give love a bad thing. You give love a bad thing. I play my part and you play your game. You give love a bad thing. And you give love a bad thing.
Give it up for Jameer! Thank you very much, Jameer. Tingnan natin kung anong masasabi ng ating mga judges sa iyong performance, Miss Pops.
I enjoy the fact that in-enjoy mo talaga yung song. Alam ko, ninenervyos ka rin. But nevertheless, na-deliver mo yung kanta. Nakita naman natin sa reaction ng audience na in-enjoy ka rin nila yung performance mo, di ba? Maganda yung performance mo. Very lively.
Thank you, Miss Pops. Ngayon naman, from Luzon, let's go to the Visayas